Hey, you guys. So, I just wanted to come with a quick law of attraction tip for beginners and people who don't understand what the law of attraction is. So, like attracts like, okay? So, if you are thinking that you will not receive something or you are feeling like you lack something, that is exactly what you're going to get. And in turn, if you believe that you will have it and you have a strong faith and belief that it will come, then it has no choice but to come. So if you are trying to manifest something fast or whenever you want to manifest something, you just have to really put yourself in a place where you believe that it has already happened. Whatever you want can happen because it can, and time does not exist. And it is not physical what you want to manifest. So if you want to manifest something, do not come from it from a physical point. You want to think at it from an energetic standpoint. Everything is energy, okay? So when you are manifesting something, think of it as you just attuning your vibration to whatever it is that you want. Whatever it is that you desire is at level D. You at level A. You got to get to level D. So you got to raise your vibration to get to level D. To get to level D, you have to put yourself like you already are at level D. You have to make sure that your vibration is steady at level D, okay? When you are feeling like you're at level D, you have to maintain that vibration. You have to put yourself there like you're feeling like you're experiencing. Let's say level D has experiences of prosperity, abundance, good friends, genuine people around you, opportunities, experiences that you love, traveling, whatever it is. Level D is there. But level A is lack, limitation, fear, feeling like you won't have it. So, to put it in simplest terms, if you want to get to level D, feel like you're at level D already. Act like you're at level D and put yourself at level D. Put yourself at level D. You have to act like you're already experiencing whatever it is that you want. Simple. Law of attraction is very simple. The law of attraction is very simple. It is just overcomplicated by the way you think and what is subconscious in your mind. Your subconscious is embedded with things that you've been told from your past or things that you feel like are limiting you. So if you want to get rid of those limitations, you have to train your mind to think differently. Manifest small before you try to manifest big. Let's say you want $10. We're going to put it at anything simple. $10, if you have already not manifested, you already are, listen, you already are manifesting money. That is just easy. If you try to manifest money, just realize you always are manifesting money. Even if you aren't thinking of it consciously, you are always manifesting money in some way. The people around you have money. Money is everywhere. Anything that you're trying to manifest is already here. You just have to feel like you can experience that. So what you want to do is clear out all of that limitation that you believe that you can't have whatever it is, because if somebody else has it, sure the fuck yes you can have it too. You can most definitely have whatever it is because nothing else makes that person much more better than you. You can get on that same level as any type of these celebrities, whatever it is that you are looking up to, or people that you think are have all of this success. You can have that too. There is no barrier, there's no boundary but yourself. You are creating that barrier between success and what it is that in your limits. Like you're creating that barrier. You're the only person creating that. There's no government, no none of that that's creating it. It's your mind and what you have limited inside of your mind. So you're going to have to get rid of all of those things before you even try to manifest something, before you even try to put yourself as you already experiencing that. You have to make sure those limiting beliefs are knocked all the way out. You have to make sure those don't even exist in your vibration anymore. Because if it is and you're trying to manifest something, it's going to feel like it's hard for you to get there because you still have all of those limitations. You still have all of those things that are within you that are saying, no, I can't really have this. So you're going to want to meditate on why it is that you think that you can have it and why it is that you feel like you cannot experience it. Because it is from people that we've experienced situations, maybe even our friends or family telling us that we can't have that because they couldn't have it. They haven't experienced no one in their reality experiencing what it is, or they're either jealous. So they're going to feed that energy to you and you're going to feel like, well, fuck, I can't have it because people have been telling me that and I don't experience nobody in my real reality having it because I'm fed the fact that I feel like I can't have the shit that I really want in life. No, you can have any and everything. You can have any and everything. You just have to take away all of those shitty limiting beliefs that you have before you even attempt to manifest something. It is all inner work. Before you experience it outside, before you can see it tangibly in your reality, you have to do the inner work. You have to. Within is without. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a comment, share, subscribe, like, and if you would like a psychic reading, please check the description box below. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Peace.